basically we got everything hooked up that we were going to hook up on this bike, except we now no longer have a tail light or license plate, and we have a solution for that at the moment. We found this Dean Speed side mount for Indians. It's a pretty nice piece. It doesn't come with a tail light though, so we just made a bracket and mounted the stock tail light off of the Indian bobber onto it, and it works really quite nice. Mounts right here on the side of the shock. We're going to put it on in just a second. It uses the stock wiring harness, so there's no modifications there. Turns out to be a pretty nice little piece when it's all said and done. The install on this Dean Speed side mount's pretty simple. Just remove the shock bolt, put the shock bolt in the side of this, get it started, get the angle you want on it. It moves about quite a bit. After the bolt gets started, make sure you get the bolt started straight too. It'll make your life easier. Get the angle you want on it. That's a little too severe. Gonna go with it right there. Using the stock light, the harness is already here. It's already on the bike. It's just a matter of plugging it in. This kind of concludes our project for today. Just want you to see the tail lights and stuff a little bit. Everything works pretty good. These are extremely bright turn signals. And these are wired to run as running lights as well, so pretty nice. Thanks.